Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert. I am going to show you the working of a transistor by assembling it in a breadboard. Here what we are doing is to control the LED brightness by changing the 100K preset. The 100K preset is connected to the base of the transistor, and by turning the preset we are actually changing the base current. This small base current is determining the collector current, and we have connected the LED to the collector of this transistor. Let us assemble this one. We are using BC547 as the transistor. This 100K preset we are connecting to the base of this transistor. Not only this one, we need to reverse bias the base of transistor. That is not necessary here, but as a thumb rule, while designing a transistor as a switch, you need to do that. Else the transistor will trigger without any input with the help of static current or signal. Normally we will give a very high value resistor for reverse biasing, say 100K or 220K, etc. But here, since this is a tutorial, I am using 1K resistor. Here when we are adjusting the base current, the LED will fade slowly to switch off, and when we increase the base current, the LED will slowly start lighting, and then at max current it will saturate. If you like this rapid tutorial, then please click like button and share to your friends who want to know this property of transistor. I am giving a 5 volt to this circuit. Also, if you have any suggestions or doubt related to this, please comment on this video. Please watch the LED carefully. I am adjusting the base current using the preset. Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making more things like this to you. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.